Don't worry, I just used an Arduino board to get the power, because my battery is weak, so I used this board. You can use normal battery. For start playing and to play next song, short press first switch and ASLO. For decreasing the volume, long press same switch, connected to 10th pin of mini player. And to play previous song, short press second switch, and to increase volume, long press the same switch, which is connected to 12th pin of the mini player. I also used a switch to control the power.